Good morning, children. Okay, in previous class I said about hydrosphere chapter. Under that, hydrological cycle or water cycle. In that, several steps I explained for you. In this same chapter, ninth class, paper 1, third chapter, hydrosphere. Under that, second part I am explaining you what that is water sources. What is that? Water source. Total availability of the water in percentage. 97.25% of saline water is available for us. How much percentage? 97.25 or 25% saline water available, and 2.75% what is available? 2.75, that is fresh water is available. 97.25 saline water and 2.75 both are 100%, that is 100% is available. Under fresh water, this is total available water on the surface of the earth. 97.25% is saline water, and later 2.75% is the fresh water. Fresh water means available for using purpose all human beings and animals. That is called fresh water. Under fresh water, how much percentage is there fresh water? Tell me. 2.75, right? 2.75. How much percentage of the saline water is there? Do you know? 97.25. Very good. Right. 2.75% fresh water is there. Under fresh water, 68.7% in the form of snow or ice. So, under 2.75% that is fresh water, 68.7% belongs to snow or ice, which is not usable. In the form of ice means we can't use. So 29.9% is the groundwater. Under 2.75% out of 2.5%, 29.9% is groundwater is available, nearly 30%. So out of that 2.75%, out of that 0.26% fresh water is available in the form of rivers, lakes, ponds, wells and reservoirs. So this is the list available water on surface of the land. Once again I will explain neatly. See once. Water source which is available on the surface of the land, that is total 97.25%, that is saline water. ఉప్పు నీళ్ళు మనకు దొరికేవి ఎంత? మొత్తం ఉప్పు నీళ్ళ శాతమే ఎక్కువ, 97.25% ఉప్పు నీళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి. మరి మంచినీళ్ళు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఫ్రెష్ వాటర్ మంచినీళ్ళు పర్సంటేజ్ ఎంత ఉంది? మంచినీళ్ళ శాతం అంటే 2.75% మంచినీళ్ళ శాతం అని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేశారు. అయితే ఈ 2.75%లో ఉన్న వాటర్లో ఎక్కువ శాతం, దీంట్లో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 2.75 ఫ్రెష్ వాటర్ కంటెంట్, దీంట్లో 68.7% వీఆర్ నాట్ యూజింగ్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఐస్ అండ్ స్నో. అంటే టండ్రా ఏరియా అన్నమాట. టండ్రా ఏరియాలో ఎలా ఉందో చెప్పాడు. ఎంత ఉంది? 68.7% in the form of snow and ice అని చెప్పారు. 29.9% is the what? Groundwater is available. So under the ground is there. In some areas we are getting very easily, in some areas we are getting very hard. 29.9% groundwater is available. And later 0.26% available in reservoirs, in the rivers, in the ponds, in the lakes, which is ready to consume the human beings or animals, etc. So that is fresh water. What we ready to utilize the fresh water percentage is 0.26 percentage. So generally human being is using the water percentage is less than 1 percentage. What is that? Less than 1 percentage. Later we are discussing about oceans. Ocean is the main source of water, you know very well. Ocean and the seas are main sources of water. So without oceans and without seas, there is no rivers and there is no, groundwater, etc. So without oceans, what is not available? So we are discussing deeply about the oceans. Here I wrote 5 important oceans which is available in the world. How many? 5 important oceans. Under that, the big one is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world, which separates Asia and Oceania. Asia and Oceania. Oceania means what is called Oceania? The countries which is there as islands in the Pacific Ocean, that is known as Oceania. Number 1 is New Zealand. New Zealand and Philippines. Philippines, Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea is the second one. New Zealand, Philippines, Australia. Australia is also Oceania. The nations which is there in Pacific Ocean as islands, such nations are known as Oceania. So the Pacific Ocean which separates the Asia and Oceania, what is called Oceania, I said island nations in the Pacific Ocean, that is known as Oceania. So later, number 2, Atlantic. Atlantic Ocean which separates America, Europe and Asia. America, Europe, Asia. Separates Atlantic Ocean separates America and Europe and Asia. These two are America, Europe are separated by America, Europe. First of all separated. Later Asia separated by Atlantic Ocean. And later third one, Indian Ocean, that is watches upon Southern Asia and separates Africa and Australia. So you see, what is that? I explained about Pacific Ocean. And second one, Atlantic Ocean. Third one, that is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean watches, that is there south of India, that watches Southern Asia. Afterwards watches Southern Asia and separates, Indian Ocean is separates Africa. One is Africa, another one is Australia. So Indian Ocean watches Southern Asia at the same time, and it watches and separates Africa and Australia. And next one, the Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Now we are calling Antarctic Ocean as a Southern Ocean. What ocean? What is the other name of Antarctic Ocean? Southern Nation. The Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean, extension of Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. Extension of Pacific and Atlantic Ocean is also known as Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Or here, extension of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Extension of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean is known as Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. And lastly, that is number 5. What is that number 5? The Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean means above. In the world map we can watch above. And it means north side border. What that is? The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean which watches North America and Eurasia. North America, suppose this total black bodies look like a world map. This side Europe and Asia, Eurasia, and this side North America. So the Arctic Ocean watches North America and Eurasia. So this is about all oceans details. So oceans are major sources, you know that, students. As and in this part I explained just about water sources. In coming part I will explain about next inside the sea what the material is available inside the sea, and inside the ocean what parties is there, and like a earth, surface of the earth, how it is fixed or originated, like that. In the ocean what the things are there, you will explain in next class. Thank you.